In the ever-evolving landscape of modern commerce, businesses are constantly seeking a competitive edge. Amidst the whirlwind of innovation and strategic maneuvering, there lies a powerful tool often overlooked: statistics. Statistics is the backbone of informed decision-making and the compass guiding businesses toward success. It empowers organizations to navigate the complexities of data, extract meaningful insights, and make well-informed choices that drive growth and profitability. Imagine a company launching a new product without first understanding consumer preferences or analyzing market trends. The consequences could be disastrous, leading to wasted resources and missed opportunities. By harnessing the power of statistics, businesses can minimize risks, optimize operations, and gain a deeper understanding of their target audience. From market research and customer segmentation to financial analysis and risk assessment, statistics plays a pivotal role in virtually every aspect of business. In the realm of statistics, descriptive statistics serves as the artist, taking raw data and transforming it into a clear and concise masterpiece. One of the primary goals of descriptive statistics is to provide a snapshot of the key features of a dataset. This includes measures such as the mean, median, and mode, which provide insights into the central tendency of the data. Additionally, measures of dispersion such as the range, variance, and standard deviation shed light on the spread or variability of the data. By summarizing and presenting data in a clear and concise manner, descriptive statistics enables us to identify patterns, trends, and outliers. This information is invaluable for making informed decisions, whether it's setting sales targets, identifying areas for improvement, or understanding customer behavior. While descriptive statistics focuses on summarizing the past, inferential statistics takes a bold leap into the future, using data to make predictions and generalizations. At the heart of inferential statistics lies the concept of sampling. Instead of collecting data from every single member of a population, we select a smaller representative sample. By analyzing this sample, we can then make inferences about the characteristics of the entire population. For instance, imagine a company wants to know what percentage of its customer base is satisfied with its products. Surveying every single customer would be a logistical nightmare. Inferential statistics relies on rigorous methods and probability theory to ensure that the inferences we make are as accurate and reliable as possible. Before we dive deeper into the world of statistics, it is crucial to establish a clear understanding of some fundamental concepts: populations, samples, and variables. A population refers to the entire group of individuals, objects, or events that we are interested in studying. However, studying an entire population is often impractical due to time, cost, or logistical constraints. This is where the concept of a sample comes into play. A sample is a smaller, carefully selected subset of the population that is representative of the whole. Finally, variables are the characteristics or attributes that we are measuring or observing in our study. Variables can be quantitative, dealing with numerical values, or qualitative, dealing with categorical data. Understanding these concepts is crucial for applying statistical methods correctly and drawing meaningful conclusions from our data. In the realm of statistics, data is king. However, not all data is created equal. Data can be broadly classified into two main categories: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative data deals with quantities or numbers, providing a clear and measurable representation of the phenomenon being studied. Qualitative data deals with qualities or characteristics that cannot be easily measured numerically, capturing the nuances of human experiences. The choice of which type of data to collect and analyze depends on the research question being asked and the goals of the study. Quantitative and qualitative data are two sides of the same coin, each offering a valuable perspective on the world around us. By understanding the strengths and limitations of each data type, we can choose the most appropriate approach for our research question. In the world of statistics, raw data alone can often be overwhelming and difficult to interpret. The sheer volume of numbers can make it challenging to see the bigger picture or identify meaningful patterns. To make sense of this sea of numbers, we turn to descriptive statistics, which provides us with powerful tools to summarize and describe the essential characteristics of a dataset. These tools help us transform complex data into understandable insights. Measures of center, such as the mean, median, and mode, tell us where the center or typical value of a dataset lies. These measures help us understand the central tendency of the data, giving us a sense of what is normal or expected. Measures of spread, such as the range, variance, and standard deviation, provide us with information about the variability or dispersion of the data points around the center. This tells us how much the data points differ from each other and from the central value. By considering both measures of center and spread, we gain a more comprehensive understanding of our data. This dual approach allows us to see not just where the data is centered, but also how it is distributed. For instance, two datasets may have the same mean but very different spreads. One dataset might have values that are tightly clustered around the mean, while another might have values that are widely dispersed. Understanding the spread of data is crucial for making informed decisions, as it provides insights into the reliability and variability of the data points. This knowledge helps in assessing the risk and making predictions. These measures work together to paint a more complete picture of our data. By combining insights from both the center and the spread, we can make more accurate and informed decisions based on the data at hand. In the realm of statistics, numbers often speak volumes, but sometimes a picture truly is worth 1,000 words. Visual representations of data can reveal patterns, trends, and insights that might be missed in a sea of numbers. Charts and graphs serve as the visual storytellers of the data world, transforming complex data sets into compelling visuals. They help us see the bigger picture and make sense of the information at hand. Imagine staring at a spreadsheet filled with rows upon rows of numbers. It can be daunting and time-consuming to extract meaningful insights from such raw data. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. The sheer volume of data can be paralyzing, making it difficult to know where to start or what to focus on. Charts and graphs provide a visual representation of the data that is easier to digest and understand. They distill complex information into a format that is more accessible and engaging. There's a whole art gallery of charts and graphs, each with its unique strengths and purposes. From bar charts to pie charts, line graphs to scatter plots, each type of visualization tells a different story. The choice of which chart or graph to use depends on the type of data being presented and the message we want to convey. Selecting the right visualization is crucial for effective communication. By choosing the right chart or graph and presenting the data in a visually appealing and informative way, we can enhance understanding and communicate our findings more effectively. This not only aids in decision-making but also ensures that our audience remains engaged and informed. Statistics is not confined to the hallowed halls of academia. It's a dynamic force that permeates virtually every industry. In the fast-paced world of finance, statistics is the backbone of investment analysis, risk management, and portfolio optimization. Marketing departments leverage the power of statistics to understand consumer behavior, segment markets, and measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns. In the healthcare industry, statistics plays a critical role in clinical trials, disease surveillance, and public health initiatives. These are just a few examples of how statistics is being used to solve real-world problems and drive innovation across industries. As we enter the age of big data, the importance of statistics will only continue to grow, empowering us to make sense of the vast amounts of data being generated. Now let's roll up our sleeves and put some of these statistical concepts into practice. Understanding these measures is crucial for making informed business decisions. Imagine we are analyzing the monthly sales figures for a small business over the past year. This data will help us identify trends and make strategic decisions. The sales figures in thousands of dollars are as follows: 10, 12, 15, 11, 13, 14, 16, 12, 14, 13, 15, 17. These numbers represent the revenue generated each month. To calculate the mean or average sales figure, we sum up all the values and divide by the total number of months, which is 12. This gives us a single value that represents the central tendency of our data. The mean monthly sales figure is $13,500. This average helps us understand the overall performance of the business. To find the median, we arrange the data in ascending order. The median is the middle value, which separates the higher half from the lower half of the data set. The median monthly sales figure is also $13,500. This indicates that half of the months had sales figures below this value, and half had sales figures above it. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in the data set. It helps us identify the most common sales figures. Therefore, the mode monthly sales figures are $12,000, $13,000, $14,000, and $15,000. These values occur more frequently than others in our dataset. By calculating these key measures of center and spread, we gain a much clearer understanding of the monthly sales figures for this small business. This analysis is essential for identifying patterns, making forecasts, and setting realistic business goals.